So, free exams, cough. I'm just kidding. Anyway, what do I have today? There we go. Evaporust. I need a rag too for this. Believe it or not, I forgot about this in here since last week. It's gonna be interesting. Interesting indeed. What is that? Where is it? Yummity yummity yum. Looks like there's no rust on it. Alrighty, let's try this off. I'm pretty sure this screw's not going to come off. Alright, put this away. This away, put this away. There we go. My Evaporust has developed some very interesting symptoms, like sludge. So anyway, let's go like this now. Turn this down here and I'll show you what I got here. This apparently is what it looks like now. I don't know if you can see that, but this has been, I know I got a wire brush around here somewhere. Where's my wire brush? That's not it. There's always a wire brush on here, and when I go to use it, I never find it. And then what happens is I end up getting pricked in the finger with it. Of course, it's not on my welding machine. Let's check down here. Is it a wire brush? Where are you? Wire brush. Where is it? Not one in there either. Could have swore there was one down here. There we go. None there. And there's none in there. Where the hell did it go? Oh, I hate this. That one disappeared. Let's check over here. I somehow have no wire brushes anywhere. What the hell is going on here? Wire brush. Wire brush. Where are you? A lot of vice grips. A lot of vice grips. There's gloves. What is this? Where did you go? Where is all the wire things gone? Hold on. They're on here somewhere. Where did they go? Two more vice grips. Are literally. This is ridiculous. Where in the hell did it go? This is ridiculous. It's here somewhere. Where are you? Put that in there. Put that in there. Put that in there. It's always right here. Alright, let me pause this. Well, I found one, which isn't that great, but it's not exactly the greatest wire brush. Kind of. feel like my Evaporust isn't working anymore. This thing is just toasted. I'm gonna have to get a saw and cut in between here. And I think I'm gonna have to manufacture a new, what do you call it? A new clamp somehow. So I'm gonna have to make a new clamp. How? I have no idea. But this clamp is toasted. See, it's this part here is the clamp. I might go to make a new belt, and then what I'm thinking is I have a spot welder. I'll cut this out of here, grind it all out, fix this, and then I'll put maybe make a new, or leave the little hump in there, and I don't know, frick. I'm gonna have to do some bending and schmending to figure this out, because it's spot welded in there. I could take this out of here real quick, if I can bend this out of the way. Let's see. There's my little, should be able to tap that out of there. Bend this back a little. Yeah, getting it bent back into shape is easy peasy. I got that all straightened up a little bit. There's a little bit of a dent right there. Let's take that dent out. There we go. It's got a little bit of a dent right there. Yeah. It's not perfect. There's a little bit of an indent right there, see? So we're gonna take that one out too. There we go. That's got a little bit of a dent there. I'm gonna cut these out of here and try to make I'll take some photos of them. Because it's still good. I can still use this. There's a piece, a hump right there. A little bit of a dent right there. It's the front muffler guard that goes on where the exhaust header comes out on a later bike. I bought another one off somebody to see if it's still good, but I don't think any of them are still good. I think they're all too far gone, to be honest. So I think this is going to have to be part of the Fab Jab thing. I think this is bent too far high. I'll have to pry this back with some. Pry it back. Pry it. Make this work. There we go. So it kind of looks better now, see? Doesn't got a perfect thing. There's still a dent right in here. Yeah, a little bit right there. Just a little. Yeah. Looks pretty good. So I'm gonna it's about as good as it's gonna get. This, see, I took some of the dents out of here. It was a big curvy thing. I have to just kind of showing it a little. Get some of the dent out of here. It's got a bit of a I don't know if it's supposed to be like that or like I said, I have another one coming. There's a bit of a dent right here too. I have a feeling this is going to be quite the... I'm thinking, see, because this goes like, bends around like that. I'll have to make another, just a flat little piece with a tab and a tab. And I probably can just, like, I don't know. I'll probably do an experiment, take a picture, and I will just cut a metal tab with a bend on the end with a hole for a bolt through here. I could try to take a bolt on it and just screw it on because this is finished. It's getting like, I don't think I'll have these little tabs on here, just be a flat thing. This is gonna have to be cut off. There's enough meat on the bottom part, but it's this fancy hook that's a no brainer, no go. If I cut this down the center, I could, I don't know. See, because this, like this, the amount of time it's going to take me to make one of these and then bend it and fold it and all this shit is almost not worth it when I can just one this way, and then do whatever. I mean, like just put a bolt through it. So it's not going to be exact, but it'll probably work. But I got most of the dent out of it. Anyway, what is it? Like I said, it's the on the 86 and possibly 87. There was a front. I don't know if I have a front exhaust here. There it is. On the exhaust header, it goes on right up here somewhere. Let me just bend this. I'll show you. See, it goes on up here, just like that. So, yeah, see this. This is bending a little. I'm trying to get the bike a little bit period correct. I don't think anybody's really care if I made a new latch for it or anything, but see. There we go. But it goes on like this. So if I make a strap this way and a strap that way, this roughly sits maybe off to the side. I'll make a shorter one, kind of adjust it so it clamps in on that angle, and then leave it like that. Because if I can get, basically it'll be this and this, but one piece, a little more flexible. My other option number 95, which I just thought of now, I could always lop this off and just run a plumbing clamp through the back of this and clamp it on. And it'd be stainless steel and it won't rust. That'd probably be a better idea. I'm probably going to dip this in acetone cleaner of some sort, because it looks like my Evaporust didn't do a damn thing. It's still good a little bit, but it's still, if I want to paint this, I'm going to have to dip it in something a little, I think my Evaporust is toast, to be honest. So anyway, that's what it's for. Just like that. I'm going to take this off. I'm going to sand this exhaust manifold cover, or whatever the hell it's called, down and repaint it. As soon as I get the screws out of here. Apparently, wait, hold on a second. Holy crap. Oh, that ain't coming out. So apparently, what do you call it? I do notice one. I bought a Japanese industrial standard screwdrivers, JIS screwdrivers, for the bike, and I'll tell you right now, they do have a different bite in them than most screwdrivers. What am I spraying on here? I'm spraying fluid film because it supposedly is a penetrant. Anti-corrosion rust prevent. I just bought this thing. I don't know if it works, does whatever, but on these things, apparently they have a different thingamabobber, and it should. There's no way I'll get that out right now, but we'll see. Anyway, I will make a video showing you my new clamp I make for this. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.